Good afternoon. I'd like to introduce you to a product. My name's John Duwel from Strictly Bass Lures, a product that we developed for your Senko style baits, and we also have a product for the flick shakes and trick worms. What it is as you're out there fishing, you tend to lose a lot of the baits, and most of the product that's out on the market to keep the baits from being lost tends to hold the hook in the wrong position. So we developed a collar. It's a little piece of plastic that has been designed so that it's got the right length, and we punch two holes in the collar, and these two holes are what is designed to be able to hold your hook. You can use anybody's hook, but we've also developed a hook for it, which I'll show you here in a minute. The way that this works is you take the collar and you take the two punched holes and you'll insert them right through the hook point and onto the hook. Once it's on the hook, you're going to have a situation to where it's going to hold it out, and then that's what you'll insert your bait through. You take your Senko style bait, and once this is rigged up, you can always keep it rigged up so you don't have to keep taking the keeper off. And you'll just take your bait and you'll put it in there and you'll just pull it right through, and it never pierces the plastic, so therefore at this point you don't have any area that it's going to tear. So now what you have is it'll hold your bait in a perfect position as it comes through the water. This will act as a fulcrum and it'll undulate the legs for you. And we put a wide weed guard on it. And this wide weed guard is designed so that when it comes through cover and weeds, it kicks it out and it's not going to get hung up. So if you're fishing in heavy brush piles, it's going to rock and shake and shimmy as it goes. If you're fishing in grass cover, it's going to come along and it's going to part the grass, and it'll go right around and keep it a lot more weedless than a weed guard that's straight off of it. And the thing is, on the weed guard too, it's a strong, durable weed guard, and you can adjust it to your style of fishing. If you're fishing it in heavy cover, simply pull the weed guard back a little bit, and when you put it down, it'll make a stiffer guard. If you're fishing in open water and you don't want that much pressure on it, bend it forward and it'll just barely fit underneath the hook of it, and it'll just keep a little bit of tension on it. So you can fish it all different styles, all different ways. The way that we've got these, they come packaged. If you like your own hook style, you can use anybody's hook. And they come in a package in which we've got finesse keepers, and then we've got the wacky keepers. They come 5 to a pack, and they're already pre-punched, set up for any style hook that you may use. The hook that we have, this is a Gamakatsu hook. It's a live bait rig hook, and I've designed it with a little bit of weight on it. It comes in a 32nd and a 16th, and what that does is that helps balance the bait. As it falls, it'll actually keep it horizontal as it falls down, so it increases the shake and shimmy. And if you fish in a river system and you've got current, you can go to the 16th and be able to throw it into the cover and also still maintain the bait in a direct vertical fall down into the cover so it's not being swept by the current. And them come packaged also, and you'll get 3 hooks and 4 keepers per pack.